Hey friends, Brian with Trend Motors Volkswagen, and today we have the 2018 Jetta. This is the 1.4T Wolfsburg Edition, a new trim for 2018 as a way to say bon voyage to the Mark 7 before the Mark 8 arrives sometime in the future. All right. So the Wolfsburg Edition, whenever you hear the Wolfsburg, you immediately think value, and this car exhibits it tenfold. All right. So from the exterior, it kind of has the sport vibe to it. It's got these 16-inch alloy wheels. These are called Linus, not to be confused with the character from Peanuts. They are very sharp, and I'm sure they are performance oriented. Under the hood, that 1.4 liter turbo 4-cylinder is going to be good for 28, 38 city highway respectively in fuel economy, and runs happily on a regular fuel. Some other indicators that it's a Wolfsburg include those spiffy B-pillar badges reminiscent of the Touareg Wolfsburg Edition. You also have the black painted mirror covers there, and then up front you have a GLI style front bumper, so pretty cool there. It's got fog lights pushed out to the sides there, and you'll notice the difference when I compare it to the Sport right there. There's a more aggressive look to the Wolfsburg there. Now it has LED daytime running lights. I have the emergency brake pulled, so they're not on right now, but I'll make sure to release that to show you before we wrap this up. All right. A couple of available options not on this car include chrome exhaust tips and a trunk lid spoiler, and that'll just dress it up a little further. All right. So let's move to the interior. Now inside, you're going to have comfortable leatherette seating surfaces in place of cloth. Now when you opt for Titan Black, as this car is, you're going to get contrasting stitching. So you have some gray stitching there. All right. Nice adjustable driver seat. You have Wolfsburg Edition carpeted floor mats. Nice little font there. Power windows, door locks, and mirrors. You have remote keyless entry. You have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Bluetooth is standard. In the center here, you have the composition color 5-inch touchscreen display. Backup camera is going to be standard there. It's not going to go away. All right, you have a couple options for media. You can use terrestrial radio, or you can hook up a USB so you can play songs from an iPod or an iPhone or other music devices there. All right, heated front seats are nice way to warm your backside in the cooler months. And these are comfortable seats as well. They're in fact the comfort seats, as Volkswagen calls them. All right. 6-speed automatic transmission, or you can opt for a 5-speed manual if you so desire. We're going to release the emergency brake there, so we can check out the LED daytime running lights. You have it's leather wrapped, as well as the shifter's leather wrapped, so it's nice feel there. Cup holders, nice big console there. All right. Now again, the interior of the Jetta is going to be very familiar. This is the tail end of the Mark 7. It's been on sale since 2011. So Volkswagen has learned a thing or two over the years, and it has improved upon many things. You have storage for the rear passengers. You got a map pocket on the back of the passenger seat. You have seats that fold 60-40. You have a pass-through, which is nice, and cup holders for those rear seat occupants. And then we're going to open the trunk. You have a massive trunk, 15.5 cubic feet of space, and again, fold those seats down and it only increases it. This has the optional roadside assistance kit you see there. You can get a carpeted trunk mat with some cargo liners. You have a compact spare tire in the back, and the seat release is going to be these right there. So, all right, so that pretty much wraps it up for the 2018 Jetta Wolfsburg Edition. Again, an all-new Jetta is coming down the pipeline, but this is a great way to get a value-packed mid-size sedan and make sure all your pennies are accounted for. So it's the 2018 Volkswagen Jetta Wolfsburg Edition. It's got the fuel-efficient 1.4 liter turbo 4-cylinder under the hood, up to 38 miles per gallon on the highway, which is fantastic. There you go, you see those LED daytime running lights there. Nice aggressive front bumper, and those pretty sharp looking 16-inch alloy wheels. So check us out online, trendmotors.com. Come see it in person, 221 Route 46 West in Rockaway, New Jersey. As you can see, we have a very vast inventory of cars. And then on all social media outlets, we're going to be at Trend Motors VW. I want to thank you for viewing, and we'll see you soon.